like to take this panel off, but wasn't sure how this connector works, so I didn't want to break it. 5 connections. The manual doesn't say to connect both ground wires to this terminal, it just shows one. I guess they're expecting you to buy an 8-2 with ground and then an 8-2 without ground, but I don't know if we can ever find an 8-2 without ground, so I just connected both grounds up. Time to close this thing up and work on the water part.
How would you like to enjoy endless hot water? Well, you can with an EcoSmart tankless water heater. You just have to select the right model that fits your needs, which is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. You need to determine the inlet water temperature in your location. Simply refer to the sizing map. Find your inlet water temperature based on the color of your location. For example, a Florida home will have a warmer inlet water temperature of 67 through 77 degrees Fahrenheit than a home in Minnesota, which has a colder inlet water temperature of 37 through 42 degrees Fahrenheit. This means in a colder climate like Minnesota's, your tankless water heater will have to work harder to heat your water because it requires a greater temperature rise, while your tankless water heater doesn't have to work as hard in a warmer climate, such as Florida's, because it requires a lower temperature rise. 2. Once you've determined your inlet water temperature, you need to figure out your gallons per minute. You'll see the gallons per minute and approximate usage on the color-coded chart with shower and faucet symbols under your determined inlet water temperature. For example, if you live in South Florida, your inlet water temperature would be 77 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you plan on running 2 faucets and a shower simultaneously, your gallons per minute would be 2.68, so you would require the Eco 11 tankless water heater. 3. Before choosing a tankless water heater, find out if your home has the necessary electrical requirements to support the unit you need. Since they have greater voltage requirements,